Patna High Court skill test dictation held on 30 April 2022 in first shift. Ready, start. Sir, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak in this house on this very important subject of electoral reforms. There have been a series of efforts to reform the electoral system in India in the past. It is necessary also because we are one of the largest democracies in the world, and for the last 60 years since independence we have been successfully running a democratic system. The democratic system is very precious to us. It is for this reason that this House has taken up the matter in the right earnest to discuss electoral reforms in the country. Sir, if I remember correctly, there were two commissions set up so far in the recent past. What I have proposed in this bill is to set up an electoral reforms commission. What I have suggested is that this commission should go into the problems relating to elections and submit a report giving their suggestions. The government should accordingly take decisions thereon. Now I tell you some of the important problems that I wanted this commission to look into. The first one is the question of state funding of elections. Our election has become something which is not affordable for the common man. It is very expensive. Moreover, muscle power and money power also play a very vital role in the process of election. So, there was a suggestion by earlier committees that there should be state funding for elections and also ban on certain expenditures to be incurred by private people so that election can be held in a manner that everybody will be on an equal footing in terms of their money power. So far, the government has not taken any decision about it. I think it is high time that we must take a decision about state funding of elections. With these few words, sir, I would like to conclude my speech. Stop.